let's collect some nettle. Nettle has a poison, so you don't touch it. And make sure there is no insects on it, so you can blow them. And you usually take the top and make sure that the nettle is young and green. You got boiling hot water and you put the nettle into a boiling hot water. Of course you are not using your hand. As you can see that the nettle stings are dead and you can touch them. Stage 2, preparing flour. Water. While the flour is resting, we'll prepare the meat. Well, the meat is ready. By the way, it's a sheep meat. And nettle and meat looks like 50-50, maybe 60 and 40, but when you cut the nettle, it will become smaller. So it's about maybe 70 to 30. And of course, Mongols are not vegetarians. Before we mix meat and nettle, we can add some onions. But the onions is not good idea if you are making a hoshor with a nettle. It's better to add some halyar. This is called halyar. And nettle has some nasty taste, and halyar can make it better. And here you have a green color and a red color. And of course water is a blue color. And green, red and blue is the main color of food. And the reason why we eat nettle is we are interested in the green color that makes this plant green. You know, the chlorophyll. So let's mix it well. While we were preparing meat, the flour was resting, and we can add some salt, and of course we can add some spices. Mongols use spices called qonet, and Mongols call this spice as a king spice for hoshor and both qonet. So you mix it. You cut meat like this. No, you cut this flour like this into a size of a ball. I mean tennis ball maybe.